Hi guys, Miguel here. Okay, what I'm gonna cook for you, it really has got a very nice special place in my heart. Gnocchi is one of my favorite recipes in the world. I'm going to show you how to make it with roasted beetroots, and that's very special. So this is a job that you're actually gonna have to work a little bit. The first thing you need to do is roast the vegetables. Let me get them out of the oven. A couple of potatoes and a couple of beetroots. Potatoes always need to be used in the ricer to get a really nice fluffy puree. Beetroots, we're gonna do in the food processor. The gnocchi is gonna be really nice purple. With a knife, I'm just gonna slightly, you see how soft that is, look at this. Sweet and beautiful. So just go for them. Same amounts of beetroot than potato. Okay, absolutely stunning. Now, if you don't have a potato ricer, you should invest in one of these. This is the best thing ever. Love this. Straight onto the table. Squeeze me. Okay, don't be shy with that. Good stuff. So we got the potato. This is already nice and fluffy. So what I'm gonna do, put the flour on the table. I'm gonna season it with a lot of Parmesan and just go with the beetroot, bit by bit. And now I'm gonna just work it in with the cara, one of these pastry cara. And once the flour start to combine with the beetroot, it's when we get your hands in there. Softly, soft, 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 soft. The beetroot is gonna overpower it slowly and the color will come across. And I'm gonna start using my fingers to roll away. You see this is, and it's all like dancing. Why am I doing this? Because I'm gonna cut in portions, and from each of that portion, I'm gonna roll into a big, long, thin sausage. We're just gonna cut in little pillows, and that's much easier. Voila! Now, as you can see here, I got a big pot of boiling water. It's important with really heavy seasoning that water. The gnocchi gets really nicely seasoned as well. As you can see as well, I put this frying pan on. So I wanna achieve a lot of temperature in here before I put the gnocchi. I will always do it from the saucepan. So you make sure you got all your ingredients ready to rock. So I have butter, sage, very important, pine nuts, so it's like the classic. But I'm gonna add something special that I really like, and this is miso, because it's got everything like mushrooms, meaty, umami, salty. It's got all that really nice things. And now, just into the water. Leave it for a couple more seconds. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in here, okay? Hot. I'm putting a little bit of oil. It's gonna avoid the solids of the butter to burn too quickly. And now that we got some temperature, ready to rock, ready with the water. Ole! If it's no fire, it's no gnocchi. And now the pine nuts, so they start toasting. Some sage, start to do a lovely noise. A little bit of seasoning, and now that little bit of miso. That is gonna take it to the next level. Okay, stop the cooking. The lemon juice. Oh, and when you hear that noise, that's the sound of success. And to finish, freshly grated Parmesan. You can smell the burnt butter, the sage, the toasted pine nuts, the miso. And this is the kind of thing you just serve in the pan in the middle of the table. Oh, bravissimo.